Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I would like to say thank you for coming to our present today. Let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Nabil Destia Zanita as a moderator and my partner is Risma Pitriani and Dea Sapitri. In this presentation, we will discuss about definition of pharmacy, pharmacy symbol, educational flow, and work prospect of pharmacy. First of all, pharmaceutical origin. In ancient Egypt, pharmaki it means secured provider. In Greece, pharmakon means medicine or poison. Definition: pharmacy is a combination of science and health. Pharmacy is the science that studies how to make, mix, formulate, identify, combine, analyze, distribute, and use drugs. Pharmacy symbol. History of pharmacy's logos. Pharmacy symbol in 1796, the bowl covered with snakes was believed to come from Greek mythology, called the bowl of Hygeia. The name Hygeia is the biological daughter of Aesculapius and the goddess of health. At the time, the father of Hygeia, Aesculapius, was the god of health and healing. Because of his ability to heal people, Zeus feared that Aesculapius would make humans immortal. That's why Apollo, son of Zeus, killed Aesculapius with lightning. After killing him, Apollo built a temple for Aesculapius. While building the temple, it turns out that Apollo found a dead snake in a sticky state. Surprisingly, when he picked up the snake and dropped it, the snake was able to crawl back. Genesis is interpreted as healing and relieving the death of Aesculapius. That's why the daughter of Aesculapius, Hygeia, is called a symbol of healing. In this logo, the bowl is seen as a medical herb, while the snake represents healing. In other words, medicine is a way for people to recover. In Americas alone, the logo was used starting in 1964.
And the next material is the flow of pharmaceutical education, the first of which begins with a bachelor's degree for 4 years, or what is called Strata 1, Bachelor of Science or SC degree, Pharmacy and Technology Study Program, Bachelor of Pharmacy or SPAR, Clinical and Community Pharmacy Study Program. And next is Profession Pharmacist. It took 1 year to be able to get a pharmacist degree, and after carrying out the pharmacist oath, you can become a pharmacist. Or you can continue your education master or starter 2. And to get a master's degree, we have to study for 2 years. After that, you can continue your education to higher level, namely the doctoral program for 3 years, and get a doctorate degree. And this is the flow of pharmacy education. Pharmacy have 4 specializations. The first is pharmacy science and technology. The specialization focus on developing existing drugs or drugs that you want to make new. The second is industrial pharmaceuticals. This concentration studies the drug processing industry on a large scale. For those of you who like skincare or other beauty products, you can take the pharmaceutical industry in the future. The third is clinical pharmacy. This knowledge will study pharmacy for clinic, hospital, and pharmacies. For those who have a high social spirit, it's very suitable to be in the pharmaceutical community. The fourth is natural pharmaceuticals. This specialization focuses on the manufacture of medicines derived from organic or natural ingredients such as herbal medicines.
Next, the point discussed are terms of pharmacy. Here it explains what opportunities can be done to become a pharmacist or types of pharmacy. The first one is community pharmacy. Retail pharmacy, where a pharmacist provides service to the community where it's located. Help the community about the proper use of medicine by counseling them about the safe and effective use of medicine. Number two, hospital pharmacy. Pharmacy that is present in a hospital. Provide service to the inpatient and outpatient of the hospital. Optimization of the best outcome for patient health by working in close collaboration with other healthcare professionals. Clinical trial confounding medication for individuals using or sterile medication. Number three, clinical pharmacy. Same as the hospital pharmacy, exists a number of settings include hospital, nurse, home, and other medical center. Ensure the optimal use of medication for the best outcome. Track the provision of drug information and monitoring for drug safety and efficacy. Number four, industrial pharmacy. Pharmacy of a particular pharmaceutical industry that help in research, testing, analyzing, and develop of new medicine or medical product and related supplies. Number five, compounding pharmacy. Help in preparing a product or medicine that is not available in market in record strength or dosage form can be present in a hospital, clinical, or residential based setting depending on the purpose of their formulation. Number 6. Ambulatory care pharmacy. Provision of the service to the areas where there is lack of healthcare system, like rural areas, particularly to geriatric population. Mobile service that can meet the need of patients and help to reduce their number of hospital visits when it's difficult for them to visit. Number 7. Regulatory pharmacy. Also known as the government pharmacy or a government body that helps in creating the rules and regulations for the safe and effective use of medicine.
Next, home care pharmacy. Preparation and delivery of injectable to critically ill patients in the home environment. Also sometimes referred to as infusion pharmacy, as only injectable medication are dispensed. Major in one or the other area of illness, such as infusion for nutritional support, chemotherapy, mental illness, or oncology. And next, consultant pharmacy. Consultant pharmacists focus more on reviewing drug regimens. Here you will have a lot of drug interaction, and we need a consultant pharmacist to check the drug to make sure there are no drug interaction and the patient is safe in taking all of this drug so that they don't actually release the drug all about more on the consulting side. The last is internet community. Internet pharmacies. So right now there are a lot of online pharmacies that are internet-based vendors of prescription drugs, but it can be tricky purchasing medication from internet pharmacies.
Thanks for your listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.